Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and today we have two big events. Yes, first of all, the election is going on. Apart from that, we have two big events for the day. First of all, the match between India and England. T20 World Cup is going on. So that is the first big event for me at least. Okay. And secondly, we have CPI coming up. As we all know, CPI is a big market driving event. So there will be volatility in the market. So please be careful during the CPI. First of all, let's talk about DXY. Okay. This is a 4-hour chart of DXY, and if you have been watching my videos, then hopefully you were ready for this move, because when market took support around this level, we were ready. And when market was going up, I clearly mentioned in my previous video that we have a high chance of DXY reversing from here or getting some resistance around this level. And as you can see that according to our expectation, DXY is getting some resistance around this level. But as today we have CPI, a big event, so as a result, these candles are not very significant. We need to focus mainly on the daily chart for the day. This is a daily chart of DXY. Let me remove the drawings here. And as you can see, the DXY is still trying its best to respect the last support. You can also call it as last line of defense also. And as I have been telling, that if DXY breaks this particular level here, 109.50 to 109.30, if DXY breaks this level, there will be significant amount of selling, because we do not have any immediate support. The next support is around 107.80, 107.90. there's a big gap. Okay, so DXY will try its best to protect this support here. And we can see that yesterday market has formed a bullish engulfing candle as well. But yes, these will bring volatility to the market. So let's wait and watch. Just keep in mind, higher than expected inflation will bring bullishness to DXY, and lower than expectation inflation will bring bearishness to DXY. But news trading is very complicated, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Beginners, new traders, those who have very less capital, you're in a very tight spot right now. Please focus on protecting your capital. You don't need to trade each and every day. You should also know when not to trade. Now let's jump to the chart of gold, XAUUSD. So gold is right now standing at 1708. This is the current market price of gold here. Right now I'm in a daily time frame, and as we all know that after this wedge, we are seeing some kind of a breakout scenario on the chart of gold here. And as we all know that on a weekly chart also, we are getting the same positive vibe. So my dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then watch the video that I uploaded day before yesterday. Okay, we have talked in detail about this chart. So my dear friends, see, this level on a weekly chart is also playing a very important. Yesterday we saw a sudden price rejection, sharp price rejection from 1722 level. So just imagine the power of sellers around that level. Okay, so this level will be a very big level for gold. Okay, and gold is also trying its best right now to hold the support here. So without wasting any further time, let's jump to the 1 hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame on the chart of gold here. See, the levels that I have mentioned previously are still very much intact. Okay, this is not a proper line here. Just keep in mind that we have sellers zone. Okay, we have got sellers around this level. This is not a proper line. This is a zone in the market. Okay, so it's better to draw a box here. Okay, and you can see, as I have been saying, that we have got sellers present around 1722 to 1730. Sadly, this is a very big zone in the market. So before the news, listen to me carefully. Okay, listen to me carefully. Before the news, if you see market hitting this level, Okay, hitting this level and going up, do not trade. This is your no trading zone. Do not act like gamblers. Okay, only trade when the opportunity is right. So before the news, okay, before the news, if you see market entering inside this zone here, do not take any position. High chance is that market will reverse from 1722 to 25. Around this level you can expect the market to reverse. Once you see market reversing, you can go for a sell position. At least you can expect a profit of 30 to 40 pips before the news. Okay, and in case before the news only, if you see a breakout type of a scenario, if you see market breaking the level and going up before the news, do not take any buy position, because see, stop loss hunting is a bitter reality of the market. So I think there's a high chance that market will be going up till 1735 level. Yes, till 1735 level market will hunt down some stop losses and it will come down again. After all, see, market do not work, these levels do not work perfectly. Market manipulation, stop loss hunting are all bitter realities of the market. So around 1735 also market may go up and hunt down some stop losses and come down again. So to be honest, I do not recommend any buy position before the news if market goes up. This personally, I'll try to avoid any buy position, because for me this is a no trading zone in the market. And if you're a beginner, new trader, try to avoid. But if you have considerable experience in the market, if you have been scalping and dealing with gold for a long time, then that's your personal choice, personal opinion, personal trading style. I won't comment on that. And before the news, if market comes down, okay, if market comes down, then you can expect the market to take support around 1702 level. Around 1702 level you can expect the market to take support before the news. Do not forget before the news, because 1702 does not have the strength to hold the market during CPI, because this is not a proper support. Okay, you must understand that not all resistances, not all supports have the equal amount of strength. All the levels differ. So before the news, there is a high chance that market will remain like this. There will not be much volatility. Okay, if the market remains low volatile, then you can expect the market to bounce from 1702. If you see market bouncing from 1702, market taking support around 1702 again, you can go for a buy position. Okay, so this is what you need to do before the news. And in case it breaks it, and before the news, in case it breaks it, 1698.97 can be the next support. But these are all before the news scenario. Okay, so now let's discuss what you need to do after the news or during the news, during CPI. See, market has been showing extreme volatility here. We had a bullish flag, and again we can see that more or less we have a bullish flag on the chart. Okay, so more or less, okay, not the perfect flag, but more or less we can see that we are having a bullish flag again. So yes, during the news there is a possibility, okay, during the news there is a possibility that market may go up again. Market may go up again, breaking the flag. If the market is in favor, okay, if the market, sorry, if the news is in favor, if you see the news is good for gold, and if you see market going up, if you really want to enter, okay, if you really want to enter, if you really have the risk appetite, if you really can afford to take a risk, you can take a buy position immediately. Okay, you can take a buy position immediately, and you need to exit also immediately. Do not sit and forget. Okay, during the news, sitting and forgetting can be a very dangerous thing to do. So what you can do is you can book your profits. Okay, you can book your profits around this level, around 1720 at 1730 level. You can book your profits, but that strategy requires experience, and it can be very scary as well. Okay, especially beginners, you should try you should avoid trading like this, because this is not the ideal way to trade. And in case market forms big green candle and you do not want to enter immediately, okay, immediately, then you can wait for the market to retrace. You can wait for the market to come down a little bit. You can expect the market to take support around 1730 to 1727 again. So if you see that after this big green candle, market coming down again to take support, then you can expect the market to retrace. If you see the market is retracing and trying to go up again, you can consider a buy position. So after the news or during CPI, okay, if you want to take a trade at the breakout, you can trade, but follow the news also. But keep in mind, news trading is the hardest form of trading. News trading is extremely complicated and very scary also. If you have the experience, then you can consider taking a buy position at a breakout by exiting at 1720 830 level. If you're looking for a safe entry into the market, and then buying at retracement is the best trading opportunity. But it will take a couple of hours, because yeah, you'll see a big green candle first, then it will come down. Okay, obviously it will take a couple of hours. If you have the patience, that is the best strategy. Again, I'm saying news trading is very risky. Follow strict risk management. Do not gamble. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. After every big event, I get lots of messages where people cry, where people share their sad stories, screenshots of losing. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, think about your family, think about your career, think about your future. Trading is not uh, money making quick money making scheme. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, so this is what, if market goes up, and in case market starts coming down, okay, then as you can see that we do not have any proper support right now on the chart. Okay, the the next big support is around 1620, and this level is quite far away. I don't think so market will be testing 1620 level today. Okay, but yes, 1620 is still the next big support for gold. Okay, in case market starts falling after CPI, okay, if market starts falling after CPI, I think the next good support for gold will be around 1620, sorry, 1670, 1670 to 1665 level. 1670 to 1665 level, I think we will get the next support for gold in case market shows selling during the CPI. Let me explain why. Because see, we have got Fibonacci 50% retracement level, as well as we also have the moving averages coming up, which will act as dynamic support for the market. If we add both the factors, then yes, high chance the market will act as with support. Sorry for making this video so long. Okay, anyways, my dear friends, this is the pro trader program. Okay, I have named it a revolution because this is for those who wants to take up trading as a serious source of income, as a profession. This is the most affordable program online, I believe so, where you get to learn and earn at the same time. If you really are interested in trading, okay, if you really like my way of like my work, if you really like what I do, if you also want to analyze charts like this, then you can consider um, Pro Trader program. The link is in the description. Okay, you'll find all the benefits, 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program, etc., etc. Bye bye, take care, and follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.